Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to install a license on a Nexus switch N3K. So let me show you what information do you need to install the license. So I will not show you how to generate the license because I already have the license. But if you need more information about that, you can check with Cisco documentation in order to purchase the license from them and then download the license. So I already have the license, and then I will show you just how to install it. Two different ways. I will show you the USB and the network. So how to transfer the file from the TFTP server. So which information do you need? You need this particular information. Show license host ID, and that one is there. And also you need show license to verify which license are on the unit, choose license usage. So right here we can see we need this particular one, the LAN enterprise license. We already have two LAN based, and in some cases you will need different one, but in this particular is this one right here. So I already insert my USB a pen drive into the USB port, so we can type here USB 2, and I have the license file here right there, this one right here. So we do copy USB 2 to boot flash, file name, paste, enter. So now we install the license install, install what? Install license from where? Boot flash, paste, enter. So that installing the license right now, and then we check again the show license usage command. So show license usage, oh, this particular license was actually the upgrade of the 2410 gig, this one right here. Let's see the previous output. Yeah, there we go. Do you remember this one was here, the 24 port license package, but we don't have the 24 upgrade license. So that particular license was specifically for that right there. So I have other unit that will show you how to install the license as well. So this unit is done. Let me console into the other unit. And right here we do exactly the same thing. Admin, show license, host ID, show license usage, and maybe it's this one right here. So we are just executing there. We need to match again the host ID number. Dear USB 1 big, so yeah. Is this one right here. Let's see what kind of license is this one. Copy USB 1 to boot flash, license file, paste, enter. So let's check what kind of license was that. Oh, let me install the license. License, install license, refresh, and paste. And that one was exactly the same, the 24 at grade 10 gig port. So let's go to the other unit. I have 3 units. So this is the model of the switch right here. So we are the show license host ID. Okay, dir USB 1 RS2. Okay. I have 2 licenses for that one. Look at that. I have this one and I have this one. So let me check something first, because I want to show you how to transfer the file from the network. And I believe I have a file there. Is this one right here. So yeah, that one is the right file. Copy USB 1 to boot flash. So that's the file name. Now install license boot flash and the file name, paste. Show license usage, and that was the LAN enterprises. Yeah, so now we are transfer the license file, the other license file from the network. So in this, so when I start the video I mentioned the LAN enterprise license, but no, this is the 24 at grade license in all units. So I apologize for that, but this is the license. This one right here. So we are installing in this particular unit. We install this one and this one right here. So for this one, in this case, I will use the network just to show you how to transfer the file from the TFTP server. So we need to assign an IP address to the management interface. Interface, Ethernet, and GMT. Interface MGMT 0 APR 192.168.0.178 and the mask 255.255.0. No shutdown. and also we need to IP PFTP source MGMT 0 exit. So we copy the file from there, copy from TFTP to boot flash. And the file name is this one. Copy, paste, and the BRF is management. 192, that one's 8, that's 0, that 102. And now the file is there, so we just go to install a license, boot flash. File name, and like I said, this is the 24 upgrade license on the unit. In this case, in this unit, we need to install both licenses because it was not a license for the interfaces. So let's go check and show license usage to make sure that both licenses were successfully installed, and there we go. So that is how did you install license on the Nexus switch. And here is the model number. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. And if you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and have a great weekend. Thanks.